Hello and welcome to this yoga flow where we're going to be going through a brief morning series that you can do every day just to get the body and the breath moving. So as and when you're ready, coming to your easy seated position. That'll look different for all of us. Rolling the shoulder blades down the ribcage as we open up the chest. And we're going to take 3 rounds of breath. Inhale the arms up overhead. And then we're going to take the hands down into the heart as you exhale. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhaling, stretching the fingers away. Down through center. And last time, inhaling, opening. And down. And pressing the finger pads in towards each other. We're going to take the hands up and then we're going to begin taking your left hand down. We're going to take a gentle side stretch. And with this side stretch, you might walk the hand a little bit further away, pulsing. And we'll gently begin to release the right hand down, left arm beginning to go up. We're going to do each side 1 more time, beginning to release that left hand. Right hand coming down. And taking the arms up, we're going to begin to roll over onto the tabletop, all 4s, hands and knees. And just beginning to take the hips over the knees, starfish hands. We take a bit of cat-cow, so tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. If you'd like, you can use your breath, exhaling for cat. Inhaling as you come into your cow, shoulder blades rubbing down the rib cage, soft elbows. Moving between these 2 poses. Pressing the earth away as you come into your cat. Last round. And cow. We'll come back through your center, tucking the toes, lifting the knees, and we'll begin to send the sit bones up and back. And just beginning to pedal the knees. They're probably quite tight, particularly if you are doing this just as you wake up. And we'll begin to just take some hip circles. Just taking the hips side to side. Really heavily bending the knees, sending the sit bones back up. So just moving between the wagging of the tail, the heavily bending of the knees, and sending back up. We'll begin to release the knees. We're going to come into a yogic squat. So beginning to walk the hands towards the knees, lifting the knees away from the earth. Just beginning to find your balance. So you're taking the feet out wider. Hands beginning to come towards each other, upper arms opening up the legs. And we can stay here. A few of us might begin to take the hands down and just beginning to melt down with the torso. And we'll begin to slide or walk the hands back, pressing. We're going to begin to take the arms in front, releasing, taking the knees down. And back in line with the hips. And we'll tuck the toes. We're going to begin to sit on the heels. If it's uncomfortable tucking the toes, coming onto the tops of the feet. I'm just going to do a bit of a mid-back stretch. Begin to interlace the hands, taking the arms forward. Tucking the chin in and rounding. We're going to take the shoulders back over the hips. Palms can stay forward, being take them up towards the sky. Palms coming forward again, tucking and rounding. Shoulders over the hips, hands beginning to gravitate up. And then back through center. Knuckles beginning to come in towards the heart. And we'll begin to tuck the chin towards the chest, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for taking this very brief yoga flow that you can do in the morning to get the whole body and breath going. If you'd like to check out any of my longer videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you soon.